Hello, in this Dart programming video, I am going to show you abstract classes and the implements keyword. So if we go down here, we got our child class and we've created a object of it. If I create an object of the parent class, call it v1 equals new vehicle, and I run this, get a warning or an info just saying it's not being used, but it actually works fine. If I put the keyword abstract now in front of it and we run it, we'll get an error. It says abstract classes can't be created with a new expression. So if we want to create a parent class, but we never want to be able to, implement, create objects of this, so it's more serving as a template than an actual implementation that we can utilize directly, then we use the keyword abstract. That means that we can inherit from it like we've done here, but we cannot create an instance of it. So if we run it, it works fine. Final thing I want to show you is the implements keyword. If I change this to implements, so extends to implements, we get error. We get error saying error compiling to Java. The non-abstract class car is missing implementation for these members. Max speed. So it is moaning because we do not have instances of all of this. Every single property, every method, every variable, everything needs to basically be, overridden in the child class as well. So if you want to essentially just create a bare basic template where you wouldn't actually have implementations like this, actually you could have implementations, but if you want to force, let's say again, if you're on a multi-team project, if you want to force like another developer or your team to re-implement or override all of the properties of the parent class, use the implements keyword. This forces you to do it. That's what I'm going to leave for you as an extra task. What I want you to do is go through this. Any property that hasn't been overridden, I want you to override it and get rid of this error. That's it. If you have any questions though, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.